Hello, welcome back to our channel. We have come to buy fresh milk from the farmers market. Currently we are in Frankfurt, and this market is at Constabler Vakha. They have like a lot of fresh producers, from milk to curd, cheese, yeast, eggs, etc. But we only take milk here. Actually, it will cost us double the supermarket price, but the minimum quantity of fat itself is 3.8%, and it is very less processed as compared to supermarket milk. Also, it is pasteurized, so you can literally drink it after taking home. You don't have to heat it also. We really like the taste of the milk from here. It is slightly denser, creamier, but our main reason for taking this milk is it is apparently better than the supermarket milk. So we are trying it. We'll try it for a few more months and we'll see if it actually has any impact on our health also. But yes, this is something I wanted to share. We also get these bottles for fun. You pay them for the first time. So today we placed 2 bottles back. So we are going to get 2 bottles of milk without any fund. He's going to collect. And the market happens on every Thursday and Friday. So that's when we come and pick up for every weekly product for us. We also tried cheese once from here, mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. It was actually really good, but very expensive compared to the supermarket price. So let's stick with the milk now and we'll see. Good part is they also accept card. So we can just do the payment. Some shops. Did you take milk? Yeah, here he is. 3.8. Check for 3.8.
They are all same.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Buttermilk is 1% also. We'll also try buttermilk someday.
We tried this mozzarella.
Yeah, we did. So two bottles of milk is ready for our weekly produce. How much did it cost?
€2 per bottle and 30 cent is fund for a bottle.
Okay. So yes, that's it. We wanted to share it with you. We will not be turning around the camera because there are many people, and as per GDPR we cannot show their faces, but it's so buzzing. But luckily the whole day you get milk, so that's good part. Almost the whole day they give us, there will be milk, so come at any time and pick up good fresh milk for yourselves.
There are fruits, flowers.
Yeah, there are many things. You can see there are fresh. We are here in the evening, but in the morning it's much more buzzing. So there are fresh fruits. Fresh fruits, flowers, vegetables. Generally expensive. Wine, cheese, yeah. But I like the vibe here. Locals are just enjoying their wine with some sandwich or burger. It's really nice. You have to try it out irrespective of which city you live in. Milk puda zucca. Yeah.
The chocolate is make zucker oder?
What?
The high chocolate is zucker?
Yeah, süß.
Super hot. Really hot. Garam. Wow.
Sapsati.
Hey. That's how local food is. He's saying that it is actually, he's saying it is not so sweet. That's how local dishes are supposed to be. Plus, waffles are never sweet. They are very mildly sugared. And if you won't see here, you can see they have put powdered sugar on top. This is so good. Yeah, so good for 3.5 euros. And it is so fluffy, it almost seems like a cake. It is a cake. I should have asked them to make it crispier. It is slightly eggy though.
But since it's a sunny, nice Saturday, there are a lot of people, and it's very difficult to manage crowd here.
I'm sure there's more. Could be some festival.
Yeah, and that's why we couldn't find a spot to sit inside. So we have come a little outside of the weekly market.
Do check it out next time you are here or anywhere in your town.
It's anywhere, it's in Constabler Vakha, it is every Thursday and Saturdays.
Yeah.
It depends on every city when it would be.
And also we say right that locals don't socialize with us. Just see how well they socialize. It's actually part of their culture to socialize. They are drinking apple wine, which is specialty of Frankfurt, and they are eating grün sauce, again specialty of Frankfurt, with salad, and they are just having the time of their lives. I wish we were this slow. So every time we see something like this, we try to slow down. We try to do something with locals.
And I don't know what I just saw, but a lady was drinking, I think that is apple wine, and they're mixing it with sprudel water.
Yeah. Sprudel water, Wasser. Sprudel Wasser or sparkling water.
Sparkling water, yeah.
My colleague corrected me.
Okay. So are we done?
Yeah.
See you. Bye.